Hi, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ngozi. I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. This video is about helping most of us from Western Africa that like swallowing. Staple foods consist mainly of sumptuous soups with some form of hard swallow, and due to more awareness and the need to cut down sugar levels, alternatives are being thought of. There are videos concerning this same kind of fufu, but this is my take on this because I wanted to prepare it for my husband. If you want to swap your eba, loi-loi, semolina for something more healthy, something with less carbs, you are in the right place. We are going to prepare fufu with cabbage. I didn't believe it was possible till I tried it. When I had Ceylon husk, I didn't understand it. Today I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is Ceylon husk from Lifestyle Foods. It can be prepared by other companies. There are different makes of Ceylon husk. It is mainly fiber. Nothing but fiber. This is what thickens the cabbage to make it feel like our swallow. So, without much ado, let's get into preparing our cabbage fufu so that you can watch and manage your blood sugar levels while still enjoying the foods that you love. I've got lots of cabbage. Lots of heads of cabbage. Okay, this cabbage is going to be peeled. Peeled, washed, blended, whisked. All the juice will have to be squeezed out, and at the end, you put it in an empty pot where you add a little of the Ceylon husk for preparation. At the end, you will see the outcome. You are in my kitchen today, and because I help people achieve weight loss in a healthy manner, my mission is to help you enjoy your favorite foods and remain healthy. Manage your blood sugar levels, manage your cholesterol levels, and live longer. Be able to enjoy yourself and take care of your children, see your grandchildren, and have a higher life expectancy. You can see lots of this cabbage being peeled. Spoiler alert, you need lots of cabbage to be able to prepare the quantity that will be a reasonable size. You need lots of it because it's a vegetable, which means it's filled with water. When you wash, chop it up, blend it, and squeeze, most of these vegetables will give you just very little pulp. And for Africans, you need something reasonable to keep you going the entire day. I tried using this white cabbage. One day I went shopping. I bought heads of cabbage that had the green parts of the leaves still intact, and I would describe my experience with two of them. When I prepared this white one, it was soft after squeezing. When I prepared the green ones, they were hard. I discovered the green ones had more fiber. The green ones didn't need Ceylon husk. That is good news. The white ones needed this. So I blended the green ones and the white ones, and I mixed them up. All I needed was to add a little of the juice that I pressed out to help me stir it. But in the absence of the green leaves, and you're using just these white ones, go ahead. Use the Ceylon husk if you can reach it, but if you cannot, go look for the green ones. The green ones have the fiber that this powder gives you. And if you can get the green ones, you have no need, no use for this husk. And for some places that it's going to be unavailable, not to worry. Look for the green part of cabbage. like me and you're wondering how to make this work easier and stressless, what I do is I wash, slice cabbage in bulk, and I freeze. I package them in bags and put in my deep freezer. When they are frozen, blending is easier. Cabbage leaves are very hard because of the fiber in them, but when they are frozen, it's easier to blend and mash so that you don't stress yourself, you don't stress your blender. When I do this in bulk, I blend lots of them at once after freezing, and I tie them in small wraps and keep in the fridge. So whenever it's needed, I take one small wrap. I don't have to go through this process every single time I want to prepare swallow. I hope this tip would help you, as it helps me. went through from being a vegetable to ending up in a plate to be used as swallow for any kind of soup of your choice. This way, you're cutting down on the number of carbs you take in as you enjoy your favorite foods. Remember, if you cannot find psyllium husk, go look for the green parts of the cabbage and wash, slice, blend it with the whites. This way, you have all the fiber you need. All you need to do is add water as you stir it. Green part of the cabbage gives you everything you need. If you can find the psyllium husk, that is perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching my cabbage fufu packed with all the nutrients in a vegetable. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as I bring you all healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. See you next time.